Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we are gonna have a look at this keyboard. It's a Vissles keyboard, and it is pretty small, and it comes with RGB effects, so that's kind of cool. And apparently it's mechanical, so we will see about that. So here it is. This is what it looks like. We got a nice presentation. Let's unwrap that real quick. Take this out of the box. And let's see what else we got. A little cleaning, some manuals, whatever. Throw all that to the side. We do not care at all. So here's the keyboard. And as you see, it has no numbers, keys, which is fine. It saves space that way. It's pretty small, which is cool. I like those. And it seems like it's mechanical. We can type on here. You don't hear anything. It has a really nice clicking sound. I muted the sound because I get really frustrated sometimes when I record and I can't hear my voice because the clicking is so loud. But it does sound quite well. You can reach everything quite well. Yeah, definitely cool looking keyboard. Let's see what kind of switches we got here. This is what the fonts look like. Pretty straightforward on that part. In the back, these are just for show. USB-C for connectivity, and then there is also a Bluetooth function that you can use, and we can turn this on. See if it's pre-charged. Doesn't look like it. Nope. So I would say we get a cable, and then we check out the RGB effects, because I mean, honestly, that's what we're all here for after all. That's what gamers love, right? So let's throw this in here and check that out. Ooh, wow. Got some nice rainbow color here. Comes from the middle and goes to the sides. Looking good. Liking it. Definitely. Decent product on that part. And yeah, I think it's pretty sick. Got some short keys here as well for volume and all that. Yeah, definitely a good keyboard. And pretty much for that price, you can't go wrong at all. And I think we call this a day. Apparently you can change some on the software. I'm not going to check on that because I really don't mind too much about that though. So I'm Badger, I'm out. See you in the next video. Bye.